Are you a music lover? Let's talk about Sony MDR-XB550AP headphone today. Hey, what's up? This is Anil from Red and Graphics. Let's check out a Sony XB series headphone MDR-XB550AP. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon for the future notifications. Now let's get to the meat of the video and check the specifications of the headphone, which are right here on your screen. It has extra bass feature. It is smartphone compatible. It has adjustable metal headband. It comes with cushioned ear pads. It comes with swivel design ear cups. The driver unit is 30 mm, which is dome type. Frequency response is 5 Hz to 22 kHz and cord length is 1.2 meter. Now let's unbox the unit. The headphone comes in a beautiful box-in-box packaging. It is packed in a black box, which is enclosed in an outer printed box. Here is the headphone in the black color. Documentation is included beneath the packing shelf, which contains the basic instructions. Sony is producing headphones with this form factor since long. It's large enough to accommodate powerful drivers to produce punchy bass, and it's still quite stylish. This model is available in 5 different colors, and the unit we have is in black color. This headphone has a grainy marble texture on it, which is more prominent on the perfectly circular ear cups. It comes with flat cable, which is tangle-free as compared to round cable. Flat cable has an inline mic with a single button control on it, which is useful to play, pause, or change the track, or to answer or end the call. The headphone has a solid build quality and all the moving parts are sturdy. The metallic headband gives it a premium look. Let's find out how comfortable is this headphone. This headphone has ample padding on both the ear pads and headband, which helps in uniform dispersion of pressure across the head. Its soft pleather ear pads manage to avoid any discomfort during long listening sessions, even in the summer. Clamping pressure is quite firm and it helps greatly in isolating external noise. In a nutshell, this is a lightweight headphone with such a build quality that ensures long-term comfort. Now let's come to the most important part of any headphone, and of course that's its sound quality. This headphone belongs to XB series and it reflects same in the sound quality it produces. Headphone offers extra bass regardless of the genre you throw at it. However, bass quality is quite good and it doesn't sound boomy or muddy at all. The range of frequency response for this headphone is 5 Hz to 22 kHz, which simply means that you are going to get most out of the music you listen to. This headphone is quite good with the low frequencies. However, you are not going to miss out on mids and highs as well. The crux of the matter is that this headphone is not an audiophile's cup of tea. However, it's a boon to bass lovers. Additionally, I will share a bonus tip at the end to improve the sound quality of this headphone. If I talk about the functionality of this headphone, it's a plug-and-play accessory which doesn't need any extra setup. It's equipped with built-in microphone that can be useful to take calls while using headphone. It has a single button control that is useful to answer or end the call and can be used as a play-pause button while listening to music. Just to sum it up, if you're looking for a stylish design, durable build and built-in microphone, then this is the budget headphone you can go for. But if you're not a bass lover and like more balanced sound quality, then I would prefer to go for brands like Sennheiser, who use more neutral audio profiles in their products. As promised, here is the bonus tip for you. SonarWorks TrueFi is a desktop and mobile application that claims to provide studio sound on your headphone. This application customizes sound as per headphone model, age, gender, etc. in order to provide the studio sound quality. I personally used it and it does what it claims. That's all about this Sony headphone. I would appreciate your comments posted for any questions. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.